Hey guys, it's me Marty and welcome back to Glam with Marty. So today I have my February Boxycharm Base Box review. I know it's a little late, so I was waiting on another package to get here and this one just came in. So we're going to go over it in a second though. The theme is Treat Your Heart Out. If you guys want to see what I got in my February edition of the Boxycharm Base Box, you can just keep on watching. Thanks. Okay y'all, so a few quick reminders before we get into this. One, if you guys want to subscribe to Boxycharm or check out anything involving Boxycharm, you can click my referral link, which is down below in the description. Also, just a reminder, there's 3 levels of Boxycharm. There's the base box, which is this one, pink, 5 items, and you get to customize one of them. And then you have the premium base box, which looks like this. And then you also have the Luxe, which is every, like, they release them like quarterly, like for each season they release one. That's the top tier where you get, I don't even know how many products because I never cared to look into it because I already knew I couldn't afford it. And then you also get access to the drop shop, the mega drop shop, the charm room. Yeah, so there's, and the Boxy shop, which is open all the time now. So you can check all that out on the Boxycharm website by using my referral link down below. I have a couple things to get out of the way before we get started with the Boxycharm review. But real quick, one thing, first of all, my sister and my mom obviously are both subscribed to my channel because they love me and I give them a lot of free things. But they both have been telling me that they are not being notified when my videos are coming up. So if you guys want to please just double check, make sure that you have the notification bell hit because like I said, I have no idea what's going on, but it's been just not notifying anybody that I posted a video. Real quick, I want to show y'all this. If y'all missed my last shipment of Dossier perfumes, I think it was like the end of January I got it. Y'all, I've been using these one by one. Right now I'm using this, which is Musky Musk. Musky Musk is a dupe for, I think it's the brand Julep Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. And I like this one because it doesn't have any top notes, so when you spray it on, it doesn't really smell like anything at first. And then as you wear it, it starts to develop and smell really, really good. I've gotten so many compliments on this perfume this week. I had to tell y'all about this one. I do have a code with Dossier, which is Marty10. So if you want to check anything out, go to Marty10 and you can check it out and see what you want to get and save a little bit of money. Again, not an affiliate code, just a referral code. So just so y'all know. Julep Has a Gun's Not a Perfume, and it's $29 on Dossier. So I like Dossier a lot. Y'all can't see, I don't think y'all can see it in here. Yeah, y'all see all the Dossier bottles under the Louis Vuitton print. Yeah. So I managed to try out almost everything in this box. The choice product was, I was supposed to get the Rare Beauty foundation, and for some reason it wasn't available or they didn't send it or something, so they sent me an email telling me that they were going to give me a certain amount of points for the charm room and then I could redeem those points for something. So what they sent me was in the premium box. So I wasn't expecting it, but this is the premium box. I don't know why I got a premium box. I guess maybe, I don't really know, but they sent this to replace the foundation, so I was excited about that. So let's go ahead and get started with what I will not be reviewing today. So I only have one thing I'm not reviewing. This thing, the card, the theme is Treat Your Heart Out, and they don't have anything on the back. They just have an announcement that says epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and can't wait to tell you about it. Follow us on Instagram at Boxycharm and get excited for the biggest beauty news of the year. One thing I will not be reviewing today is this. It is a vitamin C ester citrus brightening cleanser from Perricone MD. I am going to probably start using this next after I run out of my Glam Glow. I just have so many, I'm already using one, so I didn't want to open another cleanser, and I have so many cleansers in there that I need to open, y'all. It's kind of ridiculous. So, and I watch a lot of people, as y'all know, I watch a lot of people that do Boxycharm, a lot of people that get PR. I watched everyone's Boxycharm reviews, and I noticed that since they didn't have prices on the back of the card, like people were just like, I don't know how much it is. Y'all can just look it up on your phone. Like, I don't know why that was so difficult. Like, everybody was like, oh, they didn't put it on the back, so I don't know what it is. Bitch, look it up. Like, really? I thought that was so dumb. Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. I'm going to, of course, put the factory picture right here for y'all along with the price. And the price of this product for the 6 ounces, there's 2 different sizes apparently. For this size, which is the 6, it's $35. So kind of pricey, but cleansers, good cleansers especially, and I love a vitamin C because it makes your skin glow. Y'all know I like to glow. That I will not be reviewing today. Follow my TikTok, Skincare Sunday. This will definitely be featured on there. I don't know when, but it will be. This was a good box. I'll just tell y'all that. So this is the brow conditioner from Billion Dollar Brows. Now I've had, I think it was a brow pencil or something from them when I was with Ipsy. It was okay. I just have a set way of doing my brows. I don't stray too far from what I do on a regular basis. But this one, it is a brow conditioner. Now, not gonna lie, when I first saw this, I was like, a brow conditioner? For what reason? But like for me, I have some spotty places. You can't see because they're filled in, but I have some spotty places in my brows from where you over tweezed or something, who knows. But it's supposed to help your brows regrow. So it says daily use eyebrow conditioning, contains plant-based extracts and antioxidants that help promote fuller looking, healthier brows. So it says can be worn by day under your favorite makeup for a priming effect, or worn alone at night to help nourish your brows while you sleep. I have such an intense beauty routine. I don't think I'm going to be using this every night, but I am going to put it with the brows stuff because I like it as a brow primer. This is it. So pretty. I was going to give it to my mom or my sister, but first of all, my mom's going to lose it and never bother to look for it. And my sister doesn't, as far as I know, she don't really mess with her brows. So I'm just going to keep it because I like the packaging. So the brow conditioner is $29 on their website right now. So I like it. If I had to give it a score on its own, I guess I would give it, what am I thinking? I guess 4 out of 5 diamonds, because it's something I didn't think I would need, but after I used it, I really, really like it. Like I'm going to use it every time I do my makeup from now on. I really like this. Really like it. All right, so next. Okay. Oh, they did. They gave me 5 products in here and sent the powder. I'm just realizing this now as I'm looking at it. So next, we have the Tarte Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. Now, here's the thing with Tarte. People throw dirt on Tarte because they're so neutral. They're so kind of boring. They're not really that innovative. I personally like Tarte. I have the Tarte palette. Uh-oh, hold on. Something sounds loose in there. What is that? Oh, just the plastic must be. So I love every one of my Tarte lip palettes. I love my the Tarte in Paradise. That's probably my favorite Tarte palette actually, which is funny because I didn't buy it. I actually got it from my sister who didn't want it anymore. And the palette challenge, I did all the Tarte palettes. I did my Tarte palettes a while back, but now I got to go back and do the small ones. This is the Sunrise palette. And it looks just like what everybody makes fun of Tarte for. It is extremely boring. It is super neutral. This is what it looks like on the top. The purple Tarte packaging, but y'all, the packaging on the palette itself, how pretty is this with the little lines? If their products haven't changed, their packaging has changed. I think their packaging right now is beautiful. This is what it's Sunrise palette. Look at this on the inside, y'all. It reminds me so much of the Kylie Cosmetics brown palette, bronze palette. So if I decide I'm gonna probably get rid of that one and keep this one because they're so similar, I don't really see a reason to have both. This mirror though, I love this big mirror. This is plastic, hard plastic, but this mirror being wall to wall, I was able to do most of my makeup with this mirror. And of course I'm going to throw y'all to me trying the palette out, but yeah, so I really, really like this one. It's really, really good. And it wasn't a choice product either. Eyeshadow palettes, Tarte has been busting up. Boxycharm has been killing the eyeshadow palette game for a while now, and I really, really like every single one I've gotten from them. No, I take that back. I did give like 1 or 2 away that I just didn't want, but yeah, this one is not going to be one of those. That Tarte palette, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So let me get y'all price points on it. And like I said, I did use that on my eyes today just so y'all can see the look. Let me actually insert the swatches right here too for y'all so y'all can see what the swatch is like. And then effort to save time, I started doing the swatches separate except for when I'm reviewing a palette. Wait a minute, I don't see it. Hold on. Why is the palette not in here? Hold on a second, y'all. I don't see it on their website and it just came out, or is it like new? I don't know. I don't see the Sunrise palette on here, but I do see this little one called the Sweet Tart palette, and it reminds me of the same thing, so we'll use that one. This one is $32. Always love how blendable it is. Look at that. But I will admit, it is very plain, and I don't know anybody who needs another neutral palette, but I like it. I do. I'm sorry. I like it. I mean, I'm always looking for the next best thing, and I really like this palette. The shimmers, if y'all saw when I was trying it out, or the swatches, how shimmery the golds are, especially there's this shade. Oh, crap. I'm about to take it out again. Damn it. I think it's called Luster. Icon, Vivid, and Brilliant. Beautiful. Could be used as a highlighter any day of the week. So that's that one. This one, of course, y'all already know I'm gonna give it 5 out of 5 diamonds. It is an eye. Let me back it up. Let's do 4 out of 5 diamonds because the darkest shade isn't black. It's just a matte brown. I do love the mix of shimmers and mattes, but I would have to give this one 4 out of 5 diamonds. It's just really boring. I love the size of it though. Like you could carry this with you in your bag wherever you're going. So this is the Misho Lip Shine. So this is a sheer lip balm. This is the packaging. Y'all, watch this. I mean, I love the e-balm from Persona that I reviewed last month. If y'all didn't see it, I'll put a card for it up here. But that lip balm is cute and I like it. But this one, this is right up my alley. This brown, it's so moisturizing. I just lined it with a Dragon Beauty lip liner in shade 2cc, and I just filled it in with this. But just the packaging, I just want to take this in and out of my makeup bag while I'm doing stuff because it's just, this one, 5 out of 5 diamonds. I wish it had a little more color to it, but I'm still going to give it 5 out of 5 diamonds. I'm saving one thing in here for last, so we'll talk about that in a second. Oh, let me actually get a price point for y'all with Misho. That box made a really pretty, like, natural, neutral glam. Like, I could wear this any time of the year. I'd probably prefer summer, which is good because I actually waited for it. And when I kind of saw some previews, I was like, nothing in there I really, really want. So when I got this box, which again, I haven't seen my variation anywhere else. When I got this box, I was like, wow, okay. Oh, they got a lot of nice stuff. I love how their aesthetic on their website is really nice. Okay, so this Misho lip balm and sheer, they have so many pretty colors, y'all. This shade is called, what is it called? I already forgot. Angel. So this shade, yeah, Angel right here, it's $23. All right, next. Okay, so this is the replacement thing they sent for the, I guess, Rare Beauty foundation. I was kind of upset because I really wanted to try it, but when I saw this at the door, I was like, okay, I'll take that. They sent it in a beautiful premium box. I was very excited about that. And then we have inside of this OPV London Loose Setting Powder in the shade Medium. This is what it looks like on the outside, y'all. OPV Beauty, I have their Spotlight palette, and I think I have a few little, like, other things here and there. I really enjoy their products. If I remember correctly, I think they're a black-owned business out of London, and I am always here for that. My family and I are black women that are trying to open a bunch of businesses, so I get it, and I really appreciate them. So I'm going to throw y'all to me trying it out, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to talk about it a little bit. So the loose setting powder, there's no directions or anything on this, so never mind, but I can show y'all the packaging. How beautiful. How beautiful is this? I got the shade Medium, which is like a yellow kind of cassava color, like all of my setting powders are. I did use this to set down all my cream products, and then I used it again to finish, and I really like it. Don't judge that. That's just a bold highlight, but it's not sweat. It came, I really like it. I did use it to do a baby bake, and then I used it again to finish off my look, and I am loving this powder. This might actually be one of my go-to powders. I usually like to match my powders to my foundations, but I don't have an OPV one. There's a lot of foundations I don't have a match to, so I'll be using this one quite a lot. It's really nice. I really like it. Oh, that's not as much as I thought it was. About 20 bucks. To say it's so finely milled, I thought it was going to be more expensive than that. I thought it was going to be on par with like the ABH powder, which I love. But yeah, $20. I'm surprised. $19.38 to be exact. And I'm going to give that 5 out of 5 diamonds because I'm not going to lie, I really, really like it. It's set up nice, even using a sponge to push it in. So I really like this one. 5 out of 5 diamonds for you. I know what y'all going to say. How many primers can one girl have? But the collagen primer from Toy Factory, y'all. It's a hyaluronic and collagen makeup primer. Never heard of this brand before, Toy Factory, which is something I really like about Boxy, that I find new brands to love. This one, let me show y'all what it looks like. This is the primer itself. But what I like about it, the smell. It smells so freaking good. It smells like, I don't know, some kind of cotton candy or bubble gum or something. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. It doesn't take a lot. I used about, they say to use a pea-size amount to cover your whole face, and that's what I did, and it worked. So I take that back. I did one on the nose, and then I did like half a pea on my forehead, and I just blended it out. I really, really like it, and the texture of it I also really like because it's one of those smooth silicone primers. I know some people don't like those. I love a silicone primer. You give me a Japanese Beauty Velvet Touch. You give me a, what's another good one like that? I don't know. I can't think right now. But all the ones that are like that clear silicone, I love. I love those. So that's going to get 5 out of 5 diamonds for sure. Let me actually give y'all a price point on those. Toy Factory. The scent. Not gonna lie to y'all, I know some people have a problem with that, but like I love a good scent because I'm going to be putting it on my freaking face. Oh look, that primer is the first thing you see on the page, so it must be. So, oh, the inclusion. They have a guy on the thing. Good. Good for y'all. Inclusion all around. This primer retails for $32. The only thing, it's a little bit small and I don't want to run out of it because I love the scent so much. So guys, that's everything that I had to review today from my Boxycharm February base box. I was really excited about it. Oh, did I tell y'all the primer retails for $32? Yeah. It was a really, really good box. I really enjoyed it. Everything is just natural, kind of ethereal pretty, and I like that sometimes. Sometimes I like glam all the way up, but this look I'm not mad at either. So thank you guys so much for joining me today here on Glam with Marty. I really appreciate it. Again, I know I said it earlier, but please make sure that your notifications are turned on because I'm not sure. I have a giveaway coming at 500 subscribers, so please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like what you see here. I'm going to be giving away I'm going to be giving away a brand new bottle of Powdery Coconut by Dossier. So if y'all want to check that out, subscribe and I'll give y'all more details when we hit 500 subs. Guys, also everything I'm wearing on my face is going to be listed down below, as well as each one of these products and the Boxycharm link in case you want to check anything out on its own without the subscription service. So all that's going to be linked down below, as well as again what I am currently wearing on my face and my affiliate codes, social media, all that stuff down below in the description box. If you guys want to see my glam in real time, you can follow my Instagram page, which is going to be right here. That's also just bags of the week, outfits of the day, all that kind of stuff is going to be on my Instagram. My TikTok page is where it's really at though. I'm always on TikTok. I really enjoy it. I post every single day, and that's going to be one product review, shop with me hauls, test outs, skincare Sunday, which I'm renaming self-care Sunday. That's every Sunday when I try some kind of beauty or relaxation product. So that's going to all be on my TikTok page, which is going to be right here. Also, my random craziness, my thoughts about politics, shows, movies, music, all that good stuff is going to be on my Twitter page, which is right here. If y'all could take a minute, talk amongst yourselves. Rowan, hey baby, thank you so much for watching Nini's video. I love you so, so much, and I will see you later, okay? Love you. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I'll be here next time you get glam, if you want to get glam with Marty. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.